Today we're gonna do a quick 3-minute ab workout while sitting down in your chair. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna sit on the edge of your chair just like this. Then you're gonna put your arms out like this. Then you're gonna look down and curve or poke your back out just like this. Now in 10 seconds, you're gonna lean all the way back until you almost touch the chair. Now get ready. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. All right, lean all the way back. Don't touch the chair. Hold it, squeeze your abs tight. Tight, you gotta squeeze your abs tight so you won't fall back and touch that chair. Come on, keep holding it. 1, all right, come all the way up. We're gonna do a quick 5-second rest. That's all we're doing today. We're doing 12 of these. All right, going back, don't touch the chair. And remember, if you don't feel it in your abs, then raise your arms up higher until you do. 3, 2, 1, all right, come up slow. 5-second rest, doing 12 of these, we got 10 more. All right, going back, don't touch the chair. Remember, beginners, just lean back halfway or lean back until your abs get tight. And again, if it's too easy, just raise your hands up. 2, 1, come up. Quick 5-second break, real quick break. So get ready to go right on back. Get your arms ready, back ready. Go back, hold it. And look again, if it's too easy, you can raise your arms up. But if raising your arms up is too easy, then hold something that's 10 pounds or more. All right, come up. Remember, real quick break. Get ready, go right on back. Go back, hold it. 10 seconds. Remember, you want to squeeze your abs so tight that you won't fall back. 2, 1, come up slow. All right, lean back. Don't touch the chair. Remember, you gotta squeeze your abs real tight. If you don't squeeze your abs real tight, you're gonna fall down and hit the chair. We don't want to hit the chair. All right, come up slow. 3, 2, 1, go back. You got 6 more of these. Halfway finished. Remember, like I said, we're just doing 12 of these. Squeeze your abs real tight. I know you're shaking, but you gotta squeeze tight. Don't fall back. Come up slow. Quick 5-second break. Remember, pretend your abs are a fist. Go back, pretend your abs are a fist. Squeeze that fist, squeeze your abs, squeeze it hard. Remember, beginners, you got many options. 3, 2, 1, come up slow. 5-second break. 3, 2, 1, go right on back. Real quick break. 10 seconds, squeezing that fist. Your abs are a fist. Squeeze them tight. Tight. Come on, it's not that long. 2, 1, go up. All right, 3 more of these. 3 more. All right, get ready. Going right back to it. All right, lean back. Now hold it. Don't move. Don't touch that chair. Do not touch it. I know it seems like I'm touching it, but I'm like a millimeter away from it. A quarter of an inch away from it. All right, come up. Quick break. Don't relax too much. Get ready. Going right on back. All right, lean back. Hold it. Come on. Squeeze. Make that tight fist with your abs. Squeeze them. 2, 1. Come up. All right, got 1 more. All right, this is the last one. Last one. 20 seconds. Go back. Hold it. The full 20 seconds right here. Come on, 20 seconds. Almost there. Well, we're almost to 10. All right, regular set, regular rep, 10 seconds right here. Come on, 8 seconds is over. Don't give up. Don't hit that chair. Come on, keep squeezing. Don't give up. 2, 1, come up. Good job. Hold up. Wait a minute. You're not finished yet. You still got 1 more thing you need to do. Now, you only just got finished making your belly look flatter by tightening up your midsection. But my 3-minute ab workout does very little for burning off belly fat. So to truly make your belly flat, go to Nanos.com/Adrian to use my fat loss plan to get rid of most of your belly fat to truly get a flat stomach. For example, your diver wasn't able to fully flatten her belly until she used one of my diet tricks. Or like Paul, who had to use my fat loss workout just twice a week to lose 18 pounds of belly fat. And I can go on and on with examples of people who lost all their belly fat using my plan, but to sum everything up, if you need your belly to look flatter instantly for some type of emergency, then just do any of my ab workouts. Now, when you're ready to truly get a flat stomach by burning off all your belly fat, then go to Nanos.com/Adrian.